The new year always makes us think about spring cleaning. We always recommend the OCD Girls here in Billings for anytime somebody has a remodel project, maybe they just need help organizing. But what we've done is we have reached out to them and asked them for some of their best organizing tips so that we could turn around and share them with you guys. So I've got their big cheat sheet here and I'm going to go ahead and share them with you. These are tips for organizing every project. Number one, take it all out. They cannot stress this enough. You need to then sort everything into like categories. Number three, purge. That's one of my favorites. Clutter is delayed decisions, so decide today to keep or throw out. Number four, measure before you shop. 5, buying containers should be one of the last steps, not the first. Number 6, label, label, label. Number 7, think outside the box. Just because something lives in one place doesn't mean it has to stay there. Make sure it lives where it makes the most sense. Number 8, don't let Pinterest perfection prevent you from getting organized. 9, when you begin to tackle a space, start with 5 bins and label them keep, donate, sell, store, and trash. 10, and probably the most important one, don't get overwhelmed. Just tackle what is reasonable for you and the time you have available. If you don't know where to start, call the OCD Girls. I have some closet tips for you guys from the OCD Girls. Number 1, if you are having a hard time deciding what to keep or toss, turn the hanger backwards, and if it's still backwards at the end of the season or a year after, it's time to get it donated. Number 2, use consistent hangers. Their favorites are the flat velvet. 3, take out seasonal things and store them elsewhere. 4, we wear 20% of our clothes 80% of the time. Keep that in mind when you're paring it down. Number 5, be honest with yourself and what you wear, what no longer fits your body, style, or life. Number 6, hang like things together in categories. Short sleeves, long sleeves, hoodies and jackets, keep them all together. Number 7, look at your closet and see if you have more fold space or hang space. Then find categories that you can switch to make more room. For example, if you have more hang space, try hanging your jeans instead of folding them. That's it, guys. Is your garage a disaster? More tips from the OCD Girls to help you get it under control. Number 1, you probably need additional shelves and storage. They've never seen the garage that does not need more storage. Start by creating categories based on what you have. Camping, fishing, power tools. Number 3, if you have a lot of things to throw, rent a dumpster. You'll be glad you did it at the end of the project. Number 4, get rid of all the cardboard. It doesn't do well in weather or wet. Number 5, utilize walls and ceilings for storing. Go vertical and get things up off the ground. Thanks for watching. Tips from the OCD Girls for organizing your kitchen and pantry. Number 1, get rid of packaging. When you use clear containers, you can see how much you have. When it's just a box, you can't tell if it's empty. Toss expired food. Number 3, putting like things together allows you to know what you have and you can see it. No need to have 9 rolling pins. Number 4, you probably own too many water bottles or mugs. This is a great place to start paring down. Only keep what you realistically need. Number 5, put things in places that make sense. Love this one. Daily dishes and silverware nearest the table. Hot pads in a drawer, round things like bowls on the corner Lazy Susans. Number 6, create stations putting all necessary pieces together in one place, such as for coffee, having it all together. Number 7, and our final one, make sure you aren't wasting prime real estate on unnecessary or seldomly used items. What's your seldomly used item? Are you guys ready to organize your bathroom? I've got more tips from the OCD Girls. Throw out products you are no longer using. Remember, beauty products expire too. Make divisions in your bathroom drawers, especially if they are deep. Using bins and boxes will help stay organized. Keep back stock in an overflow closet. We recommend 2 sets of sheets per bed, 1 on the bed and 1 extra clean set. Store them in a room where they can be easily used later.